Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. This video is about this pocket shawl that was designed by Pamela from Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'll put her link below to her tutorial video on this. She sent me an email last week, and she sent a few of us content creators an email, which was really sweet that, you know, she was asking us to make her pocket shawl. And so I did not follow her video tutorial, so I really can't say anything about that. I actually followed the written pattern, which she has for sale, but she sent it to me free, which, you know, because she wanted me to try it out. And you know what? I'm not that good at reading patterns, but this one was easy to read. So I whipped through it, and I love it. I think it turned out great. You saw the video at the beginning, my little fashion show. Yeah, so I'll tell you the yarn that I used. Now, I told Pamela I don't have enough 4-weight yarn because I don't normally buy 4-weight. But then I remembered, wait a minute, I have some that I wanted to give away quite a while ago, and I don't know if it's 4-weight, but I took a look at it, and it's 4-weight. The reason I didn't know really when I first received it was because it doesn't say, you know, it says for the weight, it says normal weight. But then when I look at it now closer, you know, it is a 4-weight, and it's 100% acrylic. It's from Japan. So yeah, and it says to use, from what I can tell, it says to use a 3 to a 3.5 millimeter. I used a 7 millimeter hook to make this. So yeah. So anyway, it gave me a chance to use up a lot of this yarn. I have just a few balls left, and I think Pamela says it requires 1,100 yards. So yeah, and I decided to use both colors. So that's why it's black and it's turquoise. And there's the pockets. Can you see the windows, little windows in this pattern? And then the tassels along the bottom. And yeah, I think it's a great pattern. It's easy to do, and I like the stitches that she used. I really like these little windows that I think she called them windows here. I really like those, that I may incorporate them myself into a wearable. So yeah, thanks for joining me, and please go over to Pamela's channel if you are not already subscribed to her. She's a wonderful lady. She does a lot of crochet. She's like a crochet machine, I tell you. And she does beautiful work, very beautiful. So yes, thank you, Pamela, so much for asking me to make this. And thank you, and I love your channel. And I'll see you again real soon. Actually, I am going to be making another video very shortly because I received something in the mail today. So stay tuned for that one. All right. See you all later. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for being part of my little YouTube family. Bye for now.